It's just a random wreath that I made on the spur of the moment. I didn't really know what I was doing. Came out like I wanted it. I'll probably hang it in my office at work.
We are doing Winter Wreath Workshop, and the library provides all the materials: the wreath, ribbon, holly, greenery, pine needles, glue, wire, whatever they need. We just give them simple instruction, and then they will go and create something unique. This class is very popular. All the wreath making class we've had has always been full. We've had Halloween, we've had 4th of July, and this is our winter one. So we'll just keep doing it.
So I love coming to these because they're so relaxing. There's no right or wrong. With work, there's always, you have to do it to sew, and at home I've got a bunch of little kids, and so everybody always wants me to do something, but when I come here, it's just relaxing with people, creating, and calmly being happy together. So I just kind of put a bow and some fluff on it. I don't have a dog, but my friend does, so I made it for her.
If people are interested, they can sign up at library.cityofdenton.com under class and events and look at all the classes that we offer at all 3 libraries.